All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol MXSG. This is going to be the first time jumping into this one before. Taking a quick look at the chart here, basing myself off this history, this move coming off that 0706 mark. Obviously, a big run up here, came back down that 10-cent support level, bounced off of that, fell through it a little bit, but came back and recovered. And right now, that's exactly the same point that you guys are at right now. Started falling apart, could not make it through all these moving averages, even though you did right here. Had a really nice few day pop coming off that 12 to about the 14 and the 1450. Pulling back down, could not get above the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average anymore and pushed you guys back down. You guys got outside that lower Bollinger Band, and the lower Bollinger Band essentially works the same as the upper Bollinger Band. You guys start creeping outside of it, it will pull it back into it like a rubber band, and that's what you're seeing right now. You guys can see that moving average, or I'm sorry, the Bollinger Band right there. Following it down, came down that support at that 10, started trading sideways. I would want to see this 10 hold. Definitely see this 10 hold. You're going to need a little bit of work here to turn this one back around. Based on what I'm seeing here with the 10-day simple moving average, I personally don't think it'd be too much to get through there by the time that this one levels out. The 11-cent mark is going to be the first one that you need to get through. And then off of that, I would say the 1170, if you guys break 1170, could start to rally back up from here. But that's what you're going to need to get through. I don't think that, like I said, from the 10 to 11, I really don't think that it's going to take too much to get through there. A break of that 1170 would definitely be bullish. But right now, you guys are kind of in the bearish territory, in my opinion, with the RSI at 38. It's getting oversold and beat down. So I would like to see that RSI start coming back up as well. So you're going to need that buying pressure and that selling to slow. That's what it looks like to me, at least in my personal opinion. If that 10 gives way, you guys are below it right now, but we basically want to watch for the close. If you guys close below 10, it could be making its way back down to the 0950. If you guys hold that 10, that would obviously be a good sign. Watch for that volume to pick up and push you through that 11, and 1170 be better for a bullish territory. I'll hand this off to Joe.
All right, so these guys had a few different press releases. I'll go and start with, I'll just do the last two. So Mexus producing gold at its Santa Elena mine. So Mexus Gold confirmed that it is producing gold at its Santa Elena mine. The first part of the mining plan is now complete, with Pad 1 actively leaching gold, new mineralized material being placed on Pad 2, and the Merrill Crow gold recovery plant now operational. We will be smelting and selling doré in the near future, and we will release results when prudent. The plan going forward will be to increase production to 10,000 tons per day and build out the mine infrastructure as necessary with increased revenue funding each step or each stage. Mexus' goal is to reach maximum output by December 2017. So the work to bring to San Felix project into production has begun. Mexus' first step is to reduce the electrical system to its existing plant. The 750 kilowatt and 600 kilowatt diesel generators have been purchased to manage the plant. Additional information will be released as milestones are reached. The plan is to have the San Felix project producing gold by January 2018. So let's see about this company. Mexus Gold US is an American-based mining company with holdings in Mexico. Mexus recently joint ventured its flagship property with Marmar Holdings of Mexico. The fully owned Santa Elena mine is located 54 km northwest of Cabroca, Mexico. The mine is producing gold. The company is also a partner of Marmar Holdings at the San Felix mine in northern Mexico. This 26,000 plus acre property is ready for production, which is planned for 2018. Mexus also owns the rights to the Urus property located 80 km north of Hermosillo, Mexico. This property contains 6,900 acres and has both gold and copper on the property. So founded in 2009, Mexus Gold US is committed to protecting the environment, mine safety, and employing members of the communities in which it operates. All right, so they're traded on the QB as well. And the other press release that they had was that Mexus smelts first gold at Santa Elena mine. So that last press release I read was in regards to them finding gold there, or they're actually producing gold. And then the press release from April 24th was showing that they smelted gold. So it states that Mexus Gold US announced that on Saturday, April 22nd, CEO Paul Thompson observed the first smelting of precipitate at its Santa Elena mine. The test run went well, resulting in a small amount of doré. The crew will be fine-tuning the temperature of the furnace, adjusting the flux mixture, and installing a more precise weighing system. So on that press release, they show pictures of it all and everything else. So these are normal steps for a startup and won't take long to perfect. This is a hallmark moment for Mexus and marks what will be the first of many gold pours to come, added CEO Paul Thompson. So that's that. I mean, there's more. Obviously, you can go and read through all this because they have a lot of different things within it. So if you want to do so, you just go right over to the MXSG board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, which I was just reading from, and you'll see the pictures over there on that. And then you'll see the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that Mexus Gold US board on Investors Hangout.
All right, there you have it. All that stuff. Those are the pictures that Joe was talking about as well. This is, again, all in the press release over here on Investors Hangout. Completely free at your fingertips. Right now, 0999. Currently still there. So watch for 10 to hold. Like I said, we're watching for the close. That's what you watch for those certain breaks. I mean, obviously, throughout the intraday, it can move up and down. So hopefully it does end up closing above that 1-0 would be a good sign. Otherwise, it could drop down to the 0950 if that buying pressure doesn't pick back up. That resistance is going to be at 10, 11, and 1171. Support at 10 and 0950. A break of 1171 would be a bullish move for this one. So if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. We would appreciate it very much. And share this video with all other investors. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.